Hi guys, Rin is an old brand and in this video I'm going to show you review and demo of Rin detergent powder. MRP of this 1 kg pack is 96 rupees but from Amazon you get it around 85 rupees. So the pack says we can use this powder for machine wash as well as for bucket wash and we will try using both. Packaging is pretty basic and the detergent powder, fine powder is very fine and white in color. There are few blue, green and red color stripes in it. First we'll try bucket wash. Simply use 1 scoop of detergent powder and it dissolves easily. That's impressive. It creates enormous foam. Fragrance is flowery and it's on higher side. While washing clothes in bucket, the whole area will turn fragrant. So I have this shot wherein my little master dropped ice cream. Let's see if it can remove this stain. And I'm going to soak this cloth 15-20 minutes and then wash, rinse and dry. Stain is gone but I had to rub it a lot. So it's not harsh on clothes or on hand. Scent stays only for some time. Once your clothes are dry, there is no fragrance, it's gone. For machine wash, use 2 scoops of detergent powder for both top or front load washing machine along with your regular wash settings. Looking at the price point, this is the budget detergent powder. You can use this one for your bed sheet, towel, curtain and daily wear. For office wear, I won't suggest this one. There are better options available. So in my experience, it can remove the dirt and the sweat effectively. For stain removal, you will have to soak the clothes. Otherwise, it won't be that effective. Overall, you can try this one for bucket wash since it dissolves pretty fast and give enormous foam. So give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye-bye.